Hi everybody, we're going to read Chapter 1, Level HI, Like Your Grandparents. Josh looks at pictures in a photo album. He sees some young children. Dad, who are these people in this picture, he asks. Dad looks at the album. These are pictures of your family. This was a long time ago. This is your great-grandpa when he was 4 years old. Hey, says Josh, look at this picture of me when I was 4 years old. Great-grandpa and I look alike, but we also look different. Great-grandpa had brown hair, so does Josh. Great-grandpa had brown eyes, so does Josh. Great-grandpa had curly hair. Josh does not have curly hair. Josh looks at more pictures. He sees a picture of a man working on a house. Is this great-grandpa too? Josh asks. Yes, said Dad. He built the house where his family lived. Great-grandpa liked to build things. Hey, said Josh. Dad, you like to build things like great-grandpa. You built the garage for the cars. You and great-grandpa are the same. Josh looks at more pictures in the album. He sees his great-grandpa with 2 young children. Dad, who are the children in this picture? He asks. Dad looks at the picture. This is a picture of great-grandpa with his children. This is Grandma Barb and her brother when they were little. They were brother and sister. Hey, says Josh, look at this picture of my sister, Claire, when she was little. Claire looks like great-grandma Barb. Grandma Barb had blonde hair. So does Claire. Grandma Barb had blue eyes. So does Claire. Josh looks at more pictures. This is a graduation picture. Is this Grandma Barb? Asked Josh. Yes, says Dad. Grandma Barb graduated college and became a teacher. Hey, says Josh. Grandma Barb was a teacher. Claire wants to be a teacher. Claire and Grandma Barb share many traits too. That's right, Dad says. Grandparents, parents, children's brothers and sisters can have similar traits. They can all have different traits too. A trait is how a person looks, including hair color, eye color, and height. Josh looks like great-grandpa. Josh's dad likes to build things like great-grandpa. Claire looks like Grandma Barb. Grandma Barb was a teacher. Claire wants to be a teacher too. It is fun to learn about grandparents. People in families can be alike. People in families can also be very different. So here's a picture of a family tree. Great-grandpa, great-grandma, Grandma Barb, great-uncle Bill. Okay, that was it for the Chapter 1 reading. Please log in to your Canvas page and find the slides that you need to do for Chapter 1. I hope you guys have a great day.